हेलो पीपल, वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स एंड यू कैन नोटिस आज मेरे साथ है बेनेली की BS6 कंप्लाइंट TRK 502। इस बाइक की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹4,85,900 एंड इफ़ यू बाय द TRK 502X विच इज़ अ मोर ऑफ रोड फ्रेंडली मोटरसाइकिल, उस बाइक की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹5,25,900। ये TRK 502 जो है, इट इज़ अ रोड फ्रेंडली, रोड बायस्ड एडवेंचर टूरर मोटरसाइकिल and you can check it out. The bike gets 17-inch wheels at the front and at the back, so that is a clear giveaway that this is not really going to be an all-out adventure motorcycle. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about the ride and handling package of this motorcycle. कैसा है इस बाइक के इंजन का परफॉर्मेंस, because the design details have been uploaded in a separate video. So do check it out, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel so you get to know everything about this Benelli TRK 502. सबसे पहले इस बाइक के इंजन स्पेसिफिकेशंस के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक 500cc पैरेलल ट्विन लिक्विड कूल्ड इंजन मिल जाती है। ऑफ कोर्स नाउ इट इज BS6 compliant. It produces 47.5 PS of power, 46 Newton meters of torque. You get a 6-speed gearbox which doesn't get a slipper clutch, by the way. You have a 50mm upside down front suspension which is not adjustable. 135mm का stroke मिल जाता है आपको at the front end. The rear is a monoshock which is adjustable, and of course you can notice 17-inch alloy wheels and tubeless tires with this motorcycle. इस बाइक के साथ आपको 800mm की सैडल हाइट मिल जाती है. The curb weight is 235 kg, unladen weight is 235 kg, और इस बाइक के साथ आपको 190mm का ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस मिल जाता है. So in this video we will focus more about how this bike handles on the road, on tarmac, and should you spend your money and bring this one home. But before we start riding, listen to the exhaust note because everybody loves the sound engineering from Benelli. The mic is currently inside my helmet, so this is what you will get to hear when you are riding this motorcycle. And now let's hop on and let's start riding. सबसे पहले तो once you are on the saddle, you can check it out. यहाँ पे लिखा गया है Gran Turismo. So it is a clear indicator that this motorcycle is a touring machine and it is not an off-road adventure motorcycle. Quite a scenic spot, isn't it? Let me know in the comments below if we should start our video intros at this particular location. So right off the bat, first let's talk about the weight. 235 kgs, quite a heavy motorcycle, no denying that fact. लेकिन जो चीज़ मुझे बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई है, it is the weight balance. Once you are on the bike and even when you are crawling, the weight balance is fantastic. तो आप इस बाइक को काफ़ी आसानी से मैनेज कर पाते हो. Of course, when you are at a signal, when you are at a halt, and if you have to move it with your feet, you will feel the weight. तभी ये मोटरसाइकिल आपको काफ़ी भारी फील होने वाली है. And also if you drop it, you need to have a good amount of power in your arms and in your legs to lift it back up. But to ride it, fantastic, no problems at all. And it is not nimble, but it is not a complete cow. So that should give you a fair idea. जब भी मैं इस बाइक को सिटी ट्रैफिक में चला रहा था, there were times when I came to a standstill, but the weight balance of the motorcycle was so good that I did not have to, put my feet down. But that is also because I am an experienced rider. अगर आपकी ये पहली मोटरसाइकिल होने वाली है, let me tell you, you have to be very very careful with the bike's weight, because if you are too adventurous and if you are careless, reckless, and you don't calculate that particular maneuver well, ये बाइक टॉप हैवी है, so it can throw you off. So be careful when you are riding this TRK 502. ये बाइक by the way एक touring machine है, so you are also getting a 5V USB charging point. I wish this was a 12V charging socket for me to connect my accessory like a GPS mount and charge my phone simultaneously using a twin USB charging socket, but it is what it is. इस बाइक के साथ जो आपको राइडर ट्रायंगल मिल रहा है, इट इज़ सुपर डुपर कंफर्टेबल. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कंफर्ट ऑल्सो. इस बाइक की जो सीट है, सुपर लाउंज लाइक. ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बता दिया है 800 mm ऑफ सैडल हाइट, वेरी एक्सेसिबल, वेरी इजी टू हॉप ऑन. एंड द राइडर सीट इज़ सो कुशनी कि आप इस बाइक पे लगभग 200-300 किलोमीटर नॉन स्टॉप चला पाओगे एंड यू विल नॉट फील टायर्ड. इन फैक्ट यू कैन go out on a really long ride like Mumbai to Goa. You can ride further, or you can even think of coming back. And the ergonomics and the comfort package from this motorcycle is so good that your bottom will not be cursing you. Since we are talking about comfort, इस बाइक के सस्पेंशन के बारे में भी बात कर लेते हैं. सस्पेंशन सेटअप जो है, इट इज़ टूवर्ड्स द फॉर्मर एंड ऑफ कंफर्टेबल, बट आई विल नॉट से दैट इट इज़ बोन जारिंग एंड इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली स्टिफ. ये बाइक टूरिंग के लिए बनाई गई है, तो इस बाइक का जो सस्पेंशन का ट्यून है, इट इज़ नाइस, इट इज़ कंप्लायंट एंड इट विल ऑफर यू अ नाइस एंड फ्लैट राइड एज वेल. जब भी आप इस बाइक को स्ट्रेट लाइन में चला रहे हो, इट विल मेंटेन इट्स लाइन क्वाइट वेल. आपको ज़्यादा मूवमेंट फील नहीं होगी, and because of that you can munch miles very happily. So thanks to your comfortable seat and this suspension setup, which is slightly firm but still comfortable, this bike is a very good touring machine. Right now we are at a signal, so first we are going to try out the acceleration, because 235 kgs of curb weight plus 75 kgs of my weight. So let's see if this bike is exciting. So check this out, listen to the exhaust. This Benelli TRK 502 is a fast bike, but it is a relatively fast bike. You cannot say that it is the fastest in its segment. इस सेगमेंट में आपको Honda की CB500X मिल जाती है. You can buy the Kawasaki Versys 650 and you can also buy the Suzuki V-Strom 650. All of those bikes are more expensive than this Benelli TRK 502. लेकिन जो ओवरऑल वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन आपको इस बाइक के साथ मिल रहा है, that is really really good. So if you are willing to neglect a few feel good features, a few modern touches, then this bike is actually quite a reasonable product to consider. But that is up to you, so you should let us know in the comments below if you would bring home this TRK 502 compared to its more established competition, because the brand value of Benelli is also not all that great when you compare it to the competing brands. अभी इस बाइक के परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में तो ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर पाएंगे, because it is a rather wet day, so we can't really ride it hard and fast. But what I want to talk about is how tractable this engine is. इस बाइक का मिड रेंज परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी अच्छा है, और इस बाइक का बॉटम एंड टॉर्क इतना अच्छा है कि आप इस बाइक को काफ़ी आसानी से सिटी में चलाते रह सकते हो. एंड यू डोंट रियली नीड फ्रीक्वेंट गियर चेंजेस एज वेल. चेक इट आउट. राइट नाउ आई एम इन 6th gear and I'm going to drop the speed right now, and if the speeds drop to 40-45, I can still pick up from that, and I'm still in 6th gear. There is no knocking, there is no hesitation from the engine, and because of that this TRK 502 will be a very versatile product. तो आप इस बाइक के साथ लॉन्ग टूरिंग तो कर ही सकोगे, लेकिन शहरों में भी इस मोटरसाइकिल को चलाते समय आपको ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होगी. Another good thing about this motor is that the heat management is also quite good. I have spent 4 days with this bike so far, and the heat hasn't really troubled me. Today it is a rather relatively cooler day here in Mumbai because it is raining. लेकिन फिर भी the heat on my feet was not something that would make or break the deal. The engine temperature, as you can notice, it is at 2 bars right now, the way they display it, and it is not overly hot. The next point that I want to talk about is the clutch action and the gearbox. इस बाइक के साथ आपको स्लिपर असिस्ट क्लच नहीं मिलता है. The clutch action is relatively easy. It is not the lightest, but it is not really heavy, and you can very easily play around with the gearbox because the gearbox is very very smooth. So that will also help your riding experience with this TRK 502. ब्रेक और क्लच लीवर जो हैं वो एडजस्टेबल भी हैं, so you can get a good reach, the desired reach, so that you are comfortable and you are confident when you are riding this bike. The gearbox, like I mentioned, is super slick, बट द ओनली प्रॉब्लम जो मुझे फील हुआ है वॉज शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम सेकेंड टू थर्ड. Quite a few times when I was starting off and accelerating hard, it used to miss shifting from second to third, and I had to do it twice, and the second time it would work just fine. It is not that I don't know how to use a gearbox, but it is just something that I noticed on this bike, so I'm telling it to you honestly. But apart from that, the gearbox, since it is missing a slipper assist clutch, yes, it is a problem because competition offers it, but then this bike is not really meant to be a corner cover. It is not meant to be ridden aggressively. तो जब वो फीचर नहीं दिया गया है, I think Benelli thinks that it doesn't make sense and it doesn't add value to the nature of the motorcycle, but definitely it does add value to the buyer because it makes your clutch action effortless. Check it out. It is a big heavy bike, but you can, make your way through traffic while making a U-turn. जो चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखनी है वो ये है कि अगर आपने इस बाइक का फ्यूल टैंक फुल कर रखा है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू फील वेरी टॉप हैवी, एंड ऑल्सो द टर्निंग रेडियस इज़ लार्ज, इट इज़ लॉन्ग, सो ensure that you know how you are moving this bike, because otherwise you're gonna have to make a 3-point turn on a motorcycle because this is just so heavy. Check it out, the speedometer cluster, it is backlit, amber backlit for the digital display, और टैकोमीटर के लिए आपको वाइट बैकलिट मिल जाता है. द स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर इज़ रादर सिंपल, और आई वुड से दैट इट इज़ अ लिटिल टू ओल्ड स्कूल. आपको एक एनालॉग टैको दिया गया है, एंड यू हैव डिजिटल स्पीड रीड आउट, यू हैव अ गियर पोजिशन इंडिकेटर, यू हैव डिजिटल फ्यूल गेज, यू हैव अ डिजिटल टेम्परेचर बार, यू हैव अ क्लॉक, बट दैट्स अबाउट इट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ओडोमीटर एंड 2 ट्रिप मीटर्स, आपको और कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे देखने नहीं मिलेगी. सो देर इज़ नो माइलेज मीटर, देर इज़ नो रेंज इंडिकेटर, एंड दैट इज़ अ बिग मिस ऑन अ बाइक ऑफ दिस क्लास, ऑफ दिस प्राइस, एंड सिंस इट इज़ अ टूरिंग मशीन, एटलीस्ट रेंज, ये चीज़ तो डिस्प्ले होनी ही चाहिए थी. नाउ वी आर बैक अगेन ऑन द हाईवे. लेट मी टेल यू कि इस बाइक का जो ब्रेक सेटअप है, आई हैव बीन रीजनेबली हैप्पी. मुझे ब्रेकिंग बाइट के डिपार्टमेंट में कोई भी कंप्लेंट्स नहीं है. आई हैव बीन एबल टू ब्रिंग द मोटरसाइकिल टू अ हॉल्ट सेफली एंड कॉन्फिडेंटली. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक, सो आई एम गोना मूव अवे फ्रॉम दिस रोड एंड टेक अनदर रूट. चेक दिस आउट. दिस बाइक विल लाइक लॉन्ग स्वीपिंग कॉर्नर्स, बट इट विल नॉट लाइक क्विक सीरीज ऑफ बेंड्स because it is heavy, so flicking it is not an easy task. But on long sweeping corners, not a problem at all. It stays balanced as well. So if you are going out on a really long ride, and if you have nice motorways with well paved roads and not too many undulations, this TRK 502 is a good bike to ride on. अभी इस बाइक के टायर्स के बारे में अगर बात करें तो आपको पिरेली रबर्स मिल रहे हैं. वी नो दैट पिरेली ऑफर्स गुड कंपाउंड्स, एंड इस बाइक पे भी आपको काफ़ी अच्छी ग्रिप मिल जाती है फ्रॉम द टायर्स. आज जब मैं इस बाइक को रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ, इट वॉज रेनिंग हेविली इन द मॉर्निंग. राइट नाउ इट इज़ अ लिटिल डैम्प, एंड द टायर्स ऑफर्ड मी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रिप. द ओनली थिंग दैट आई हैड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट वॉज राइडिंग ओवर ग्रेवल, क्योंकि ये टायर जो हैं ये रोड बायस्ड हैं. दे डू नॉट हैव नॉबी पैटर्न, एंड ऑल्सो दिस बाइक वेज रियली अ लॉट, सो यू कांट रियली राइड ओवर ग्रेवल फास्ट बिकॉज अदरवाइज you are gonna slide off and you are going to taste that gravel. So keep that in mind guys. But tires otherwise good grip, no problems at all. इस बाइक के साथ आपको कोई ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल सिस्टम नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन पावर डिलीवरी जो है वो काफ़ी लिनियर है, एंड it is a very predictable motorcycle to ride, and it is an easy motorcycle to understand. So if this is going to be your first adventure tourer motorcycle, your first twin cylinder motorcycle, you will not have any problems in getting to know the bike. The only problem is going to be managing the weight of this motorcycle. ये जो मिरर्स आपको मिल रहे हैं इस बाइक के साथ, दे आर नाइस एंड वाइड. दे ऑफर यू अ वेरी गुड व्यूइंग एंगल and a good range of what is behind you. They are nice, they are just super long, so this also helps in your touring abilities. It keeps you stress free so that you can very quickly glance into those mirrors and be aware of what is approaching you from behind. And when you are at a standstill, check it out, 800 mm की seat height है, so because of that I can very easily flat foot both my legs, and this is a comfortable motorcycle for you when you get to know the bike. And the seat, oh my god, this is so lounge like, it is so soft and cushiony, very good seat. इस बाइक के साथ जो आपको rear monoshock मिल जाता है, it is adjustable, so you know you can set it up depending on your weight and the luggage that you might want to carry. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक कास्ट एल्यूमिनियम टॉप बॉक्स रैक दिया गया है. You also get saddle stays as standard kit with this motorcycle. तो जब आप ये TRK 502 खरीदते हो, आपको कोई एडिशनल एक्सेसरी इमीडिएटली खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. द ब्रांड इज़ कवरिंग अप ऑल द बेसिक्स फॉर यू टू गो आउट ऑन लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस टूर्स. ये जो फ्रंट विंड स्क्रीन है, यू कैन चेक इट आउट, इट इज़ अ क्लियर स्क्रीन, इट इज़ नाइस एंड लार्ज. तो इसके वजह से विंड ब्लास्ट जो है वो आपको काफ़ी कम फील होता है. द विंड स्क्रीन इज़ नॉट एडजस्टेबल, बट आई डोंट थिंक टू मैनी पीपल विल कंप्लेन अबाउट इट बिकॉज इट इज़ जस्ट नाइस एंड बिग. एक और चीज़ जो आपने नोटिस करनी चाहिए वो ये है that this handlebar does allow you some range of adjustment. You can check it out, you have markings over there on the handlebar around the clamp section. So this Benelli TRK 502, which is the brand's GT Gran Turismo, is going to offer you that slight variability in your rider's triangle, in the geometry that you desire when you are on the saddle. Again, check it out in traffic in Mumbai, but still very comfortably managing this motorcycle. It is a big bike and a lot of people definitely just turn around and look at you because this is just so mammoth sized, and it is actually a little too big for its segment and its engine capacity, some might say. लेकिन अगर आपको सिर्फ रोड प्रेजेंस चाहिए, Benelli has it covered, and this will definitely be a head turner. रिफाइनमेंट के बारे में अगर बात करें तो इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक ट्विन सिलेंडर मोटर मिल रहा है. द एग्जॉस्ट साउंड इज़ क्वाइट 4 cylinder like, so it does sound nice and smooth. But when you are higher up in the rev range, say for example when you are riding over 6000 RPM, आपको हल्का सा बज़ ज़रूर फील होगा. And there is some amount of rattle and vibration that has been, you know, audible to me from this particular section. I don't know if it was the knuckle guards or it was the windscreen mounts, but I'm telling it to you honestly. So it is not something that troubles you all the time. It is only when you are really ringing that throttle. So keep that in mind, and I think it will be a quick fix if at all that problem, you know, exists on your motorcycle as well. इस बाइक के साथ आपको LED टर्न इंडिकेटर्स मिलते हैं, आपको LED टेल लैम्प्स दिए गए हैं, आपको LED DRLs दिए गए हैं, लेकिन हेडलैम्प जो है इट इज़ अ स्टैंडर्ड हैलोजन बल्ब. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड ऑक्सिलरी लैम्प्स, आपको इस स्विच गियर पे 2 एडिशनल बटन्स दिए गए हैं. सो यू नो you don't really need to place an ugly looking button on the handlebar. Benelli has thought about that as well. ये जो स्विच गियर है यहाँ पे आपको ब्लू बैकलिट भी मिल जाता है, so even at night you can press the desired button without making any mistake. And also the switch gear is very easy to operate thanks to the large sized buttons, but the horn could have been a little louder. I think this sounds just about okay. Listen to this, just about okay in my books. अगर माइलेज की बात करें, ये मोटरसाइकिल आपको लगभग 20 से 25 kmpl ऑफर कर देगी. इट विल बी मे बी अंडर 20 kmpl इफ़ यू राइड इट इनसाइड सिटी, लेकिन हाईवे राइड्स पे डेफिनेटली ये 20 के ऊपर का माइलेज आपको ऑफर करेगी. आई डाउट इट विल डिलीवर ओवर 25 kmpl बिकॉज ऑफ द वेट दैट दिस बाइक हैज़ टू ड्रैग. बट with a 20-liter fuel tank, your fuel stops are not going to be that frequent because you will get phenomenal range from this motorcycle. So thanks to that fuel tank capacity, this bike is going to be a very happy mile muncher, a really long distance tourer. Now for those guys जिन्हें ये लग रहा है कि वो कुछ पैसे बचा के ये TRK 502 खरीद लेंगे, they won't buy the 502X and they will take this motorcycle off the road. A word of caution guys, ये जो टायर्स हैं, if you ride into slush, this bike is not going to come out. There is no traction control to, you know, help you pull that bike out of that situation. And the tires are road biased. You do not get knobby pattern tires, so it is not going to dig through that clay, so you will be stuck. And also because of this weight, you will just keep digging a deeper hole with your rear wheel. Also इस बाइक के साथ जो आपको alloy wheels मिल रहे हैं, I don't think alloy wheels are going to be the limitation, but the 17-inch front setup is not going to be, you know, that much off-road friendly. The TRK 502X is a much better package if you think you want a proper all-rounder with some ability to go off the road, क्योंकि उस मोटरसाइकिल के साथ आपको जो एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम मिल जाता है, that is high mounted. This bike over here, this 502, has an underbelly exhaust, but my god, just listen to this. Such a pleasing exhaust note. Benelli just knows what the market wants, and I have been rather pleased. I have been surprised with this motorcycle because of how capable it is as a good motorcycle inside the city and also a good tourer. Starting from a signal, listen to the exhaust. One thing which I forgot to mention is that this TRK 502 comes with switchable ABS. आपको dual channel ABS तो मिल ही रहा है, and I would request and I would recommend that you keep ABS active at both ends all the time, so that you know you can very comfortably bring this motorcycle to a safe halt. But once you own this bike, once you know how to play around with it, of course आप वो switchable ABS setting इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. So guys, let me know what do you think about this Benelli TRK 502. क्या आपको लगता है this bike makes sense? Do you think that thanks to the aggressive price tag, this is a motorcycle which people should consider? Those people who really want to go out on those long rides, on those, you know, long touring rides. If you have any other queries about this motorcycle, ask me. I will be more than happy to help you out. Goodbye. Always ride safe. And even when you are commuting in the city, if not full riding gear, at least wear a helmet and wear good gloves, because if you are going to fall, you are going to grab that fall, and while doing so, you might hurt your hands. So a good set of gloves is a good investment. Don't try to save money when you are buying riding gear, because you have one life and you have one body. Goodbye guys, see you soon.